If you are looking for some great stackable shoe boxes, you're absolutely going to love these. I bought these on Amazon, have been testing them out for the last 2 weeks now, and I'm going to show you exactly what size shoe this is, how to put them together. It is a little confusing. I did save a set to put together for you. So these are a size 13 in here, and this box opens just like this. They are stackable. So what's going to happen is you're going to get a bunch of different pieces wrapped up like this. So you have two sides right over here. These are going to be your two actual box pieces, and you get this door right here. Note on the door, this plastic is super annoying. So I would suggest getting like a little something to just kind of cut it out just like that. It's still kind of going to get stuck a little bit. Don't like get worried about it. It just kind of gets a little in the joints or whatever. It's really no big deal, especially if you cut it. So what you're gonna get, these panels will be in one bag, and then these are gonna be with these right over here, and then these are gonna be in a separate bag. So you need these and these to put this together. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna flip this around just like that. You're just gonna take these panels and you wanna line up these little dots right here, and you're gonna put them right in here where there's like that little hole, and it's super simple to do. And then you're just gonna kind of line it up just like that, and you really can't mess this up because if you do, everything's not going to be aligned. So you'll see you just snap that in just like that, super easy. And then we just want to make sure you line this up right over here into your holes right over here. It's easier just to kind of do it from the back side. That's kind of how I'm doing it here. And you'll see right over there that just snaps in just like that. So now we have everything kind of snapped in just like that. Now we got to put the top on. All right, the easiest way I found to do this is to get this kind of situated just like that. Push this up just like that. So we have it like this. And then we're going to just put the top right over it. So it's just easier. We're going to put this side towards the back and just line it up. So we're just going to take this piece right over here. Make sure it's lined up. Really easy. You just want to put that in there. And then do one side at a time. Once that side is in, go to the next side. And you just might have to jiggle it around a little bit. You'll by the time you've done like one or two of these, it's really simple. Um, you are gonna get 10 of these, and so then we're just gonna push the back in just like that. And then what I like to do is flip this upside down just like that. And then you want to make sure this part is facing up. You're just gonna literally put this right on top. Do one side at a time. Snap this in just like that, and we're good to go. Really easy to use. I'm going to show you a couple different shoes that go in here, and you'll see this opens right over here and shuts easy. You can get high heels in here. The nice part about this is you can see inside what shoes you exactly have. All right, for me, these are a size men's 13. They just fit in here. You'll see right over there. They're right on the edge right over here. So just note that if maybe you're more of a size higher than that, there is still some room on the top of here if you wanted to. You could even put these sideways if you wanted to in here as well. I don't really need to do that because they do fit like this. If you had a bigger shoe like this, kind of like an UGG type of shoe, these do fit in here as well. You might just have to maneuver them a little differently. You'll see it's kind of just right on the tip right over there. But if you kind of put them sideways and put them in a little bit more, you can get them in here. So just note, that's a good example of a bigger size shoe. Might have some trouble getting in here, but they do shut and the magnet does close. So that's just something to note with these. These are also stackable, so they do stack on top of each other. And you are going to get 10 of these, so really nice. And I like the fact you can see exactly where they are. So you just pop that open. We got a nice little kind of trim going on over here. These are super easy to put together. If you are looking for a great shoe storage organization that you can put bigger shoes in, high heels in, up to a men's 13 with still some space. So if maybe you have high tops or something like that, you should not have an issue with that at all. Really like these a lot. If you're looking for some great shoe cases or just clear storage cases in general, I can see using this for purses, bags, pretty much anything that you have to store. Definitely check these out. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did.